Good morning, boss, and welcome to another morning update. And I hope everything's going well there, boss. What do you think of the sets? Are they working? They're not working? I hope they're working because I have started breaking them. And well, that's the bad news. Good news is they're breaking, but they're going to start working again in real soon time. So yeah, I've full-heartedly started changing all the scripting inside here and going mahoy and breaking everything. Although, okay, nothing's working solid yet. The most important part I'm trying to get to work right now is making things appear and disappear because I want to start creating. I want to bring the MGN set into it, but I need to create another thing on the menus as well for us. And I'm kind of thinking host footage is important. So if I can get the host footage back in, I'd like to be able to make the hide and unhide part. First of all, because I want to be able to use the IP as a, the IP feed or the webcam feed, which doesn't work, but it does work as an IP feed. I want to make that as a hideable and a usable part. At the same time, use it for the picture frames, the laptops, and the other kind of assets we've used inside there where we can actually hide them. So yeah, implicating that on the menu is kind of an interesting, very difficult. Well, you know what? It's all part of the learning curve, boss, and we'll have it done in no time. So it's not working yet. It's definitely that's what we're definitely working on. Right now, there's just a lot of blueprinting and a lot of broken stuff and everything else. Although the cool thing is that there's a lot we're learning. There's definitely a lot that we're learning, and I'm starting to feel confident that we were going to get it to work. I mean, it's starting to make sense. So yeah, we're definitely getting there, boss. Right, so that's what we're doing on this side. Brain has fried. Definitely got to get away from the PC for a bit because I can't even see the screen anymore. So right, that's happening there. On the other side, of course, we've got the Freedom Baby. I did put a bit of work in there. I had to jump and try getting some stuff done there as well. Having problems with the facial animation in this one here. As you can see, the original didn't have a mouth behind here. That's the original. They didn't have a mouth. So I'm kind of trying to figure out a way to put a mouth on it and everything else. This one here kind of is getting close to it, so we can start working out the morph tablets for the morphs for the face part. At the same time, trying to create the morphs and the skins and everything else, and try getting a rigid skeleton which actually works well. And that's not very to do because the thing is not actually, yeah, the thing is a problem. For example, just to explain to you what I'm talking about, if you take this and you do this kind of thing here, you'll realize that it does that kind of thing. So yeah, you see it did move. Remember, this is going to be invisible. So yeah, but for example, if I move his leg, because of his design, it's a very complicated little bugger to animate because boss, in all seriousness, I mean, this guy had a big ass. Look what he's got here. He's got a big ass. So what's happening is I made it exactly like that. But the problem is, if you look in the front part, where is it? Anyway, it's actually not designed to be animated. It's not designed to be animated. If you see him from the back here, for example, his whole pose is like this. Can you see the way he's standing? He's actually standing with his feet forward. So if this guy wants to move, he's going to move with his feet in the air, kind of thing. That's what he's doing. It's wrong, boss. The center of gravity on this character is completely wrong. It actually looks like if he's taking a poo-poo in his pants or he's just standing very peculiar. I'm not too sure. But either way, going to try to figure out a way to get this thing to be animatable as well. And that kind of thing. So yeah, trying to keep it as true as I can to the character. Anyway, working on that. But more on the Unreal set. I mean, I put some time into this as well because Xenia's asked me and the gents there are also getting a bit like, when are you going to do something? Right, so yeah, still a very long way on this one. I mean, this is a full-time career thing already, just making this thing, let alone the other thing we're working on that side, which is the more important part, of course, the set. So a lot of good shit, a lot of good stuff happening, boss. We're getting there. Yeah, that's about it. Keep on rocking that side. Thanks for everything again, and yeah, okay. You haven't told me what you thought of the other ones, boss. Okay. Anyway, that's me for now. Have a great day. Thanks for everything. Over and out. Out. Yeah. Okay. Cheers, boss.